Snakes in the grass and I laugh at it. Gonna take a lot more to get black rattled. Rise on the come up, hand my brother the ladder. Got bum niggas still up in the crab barrel. I grew up with goods, mad cattle. You don't know the trouble my dad handled. Right from the growing up parental control. I'm the old iOS, I'm the bad apple. Got a bad diet and all of you burgers. My ex would tell me that I don't deserve her. Broke up with it and went after the cake. I guess I'm what you would call a deserter. I hear the talking and all of the murmur. Wanna bury my ops and do more than just hurt them. As a kid, we all wanna feel wanted. At this point, I settle for wanted for murder. I fear God, never fear man's. Cut y'all off before the year ends. Still keep it quiet with all of my data and services. I never shared plans. Not in the mood, focused on the cause. I doubt that I've been giving y'all a fair chance. Still on the move. If I pause, I'm beating up niggas with my bare hands. Wish I was hood. If I was a killer, I'd load up the chopper, the airmans. Bullets the size of a beer can. Make the niggas in your circle square dance. Fa, fa, like here again. Create a void in your pair of parents. Put some new rips in your pair of pants. Make something worse out your weird appearance. Ayy, it's a homie, they hate seeing me rich and they got me rowdy. But we stick to the plan, no doubt about it. I'm as slick as the man that said lottie dotty. Man, this shit is intense. Sprinter the Benz, inside the spaceship, the outside the van. Had in my time, we ain't never met, but I been giving this dick to your bitch in advance. Ayy, no red meat, I been whipping the lamb. This shit is intense. Nigga better run my advance. This shit is intense.